is going to make his haunted house, so we have all of the pieces out. And he can make whatever he wants. The first part we're gonna put on though is the roof. So you have your paper bag and you want the open part to be on the top. And your roof folds like a card. You wanna put glue only on one side, and then you're gonna put it down on the front side, but not the back. Leave one side unglued. Okay, so we glued it on the front. Then if you flip it over, you can see it's like a card and it folds over.
Us can draw Miles' name on the back.
And the reason we're gonna do that is so that your paper bag can actually open up when it's all done, and your haunted house can stand up, but then you can also put your puppets inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of just gonna let Miles do his thing here. He's putting some spider webs on the roof.
And then I'm going to do the
So I'll take a picture later of the one that I put together, and then you guys can see what Miles does here. But everybody can design their haunted house the way they want it.
This is going to be haunted.
It's going to be so haunted. Okay, what are you going to put on next? You've got your windows. These go above the windows, or below the window, I guess, but they're supposed to go above the window. If we push it down a little bit, you have room to put it above.
I want to put bats on
Okay.
the window.
Maverick's wanting to help. So I'm helping Miles put the pieces on the windows. It makes like a T, and parents might need to help a little bit just because they're tiny pieces, and Miles wasn't quite sure where those actually went. Miles is putting the tops on the windows.
I don't know what am I called.
Not sure either. I just think they look good. Now where are you gonna put your pumpkin, your cat, and your ghosts?
I want the cat on the roof.
On the roof?
So the cat would be scared.
There's the cat.
The cat's putting its tail right there.
Very good. Now where are the two ghosts gonna go? Ooh.
Guys, they'll be scared outside of the door. Ooh.
Awesome. We almost forgot the stem on the pumpkin, but we remembered it. Now, there's no pieces to make a face on the pumpkin, so if you want to take a marker, you can put a face of your own on it. So then you have a little place to store them. Close your bag. If you want to put a little piece of tape on, you can, or just leave it. And then when you're ready to play again, you take out your bag of puppets, and you're all set.